Welcome to my channel. Today I'm out of breath. Today we're going to be cleaning up my room. I don't know why I thought I should video this, but I thought, hey, let's go ahead and video this. I thought let's go ahead and video this. Yeah, we're gonna be cleaning up. We're gonna be cleaning up my room. Let me give you a quick tour. Oh, there you are. Hi. Come on in. Come on in. Let's go ahead and give you a quick tour. So, first impressions. This is it. Incredibly messy. Let me show off this area first. This is the overflow from my wardrobe. This is the overflow area. So all my t-shirts go here. I have a Budweiser that I get to come pick up. I have my trumpet case. Here is this. This here is my dresser area. Down here is my fun drawer. Has a lot of electronics. Let me put this strap out of the way. Nintendo Switch case. There's no Nintendo Switch in here. I have a lot of this. Sudoku. Yeah, more electronics. This here is my band / trumpet case drawer area. So we have this. I highly recommend this. Jay Hayden. Highly recommend those. This is my fan. I have a Whit Merrifield bobblehead. I have a KC flag. I have another KC flag right here. I have here some chocolates from Orlando. I have a certificate. I got a little shark. I got sadness and a minion. Pretty good. I have my perfume, which I never use. Another Royals attire sort of thing. This here is empty, actually. We burnt it all out just to keep that. There's C, because it's my name. Here's my dog. So there's this area. Over here is my kind of portraits area. I painted this myself. I made a all-district band. Avengers. I actually went to the opening night for the movie. Cried a lot. My sister gave this to me on my birthday, Aquila. She named a star after me, actually. Over here, well, let's not even talk about that. Here's my bed. Favorite stuffed animal, right here. Favorite blanket, right there. That's my charging area. That's my coffee that I had this morning. Some CBD gum. Let me get that. Ooh. Here's my camera area. I have more cameras. They're in a box. But, you know, I'm planning on doing camera haul one day. Here's this. This is about 7 years old. Here's more photos. More photos. And then my angel. And then this here is, well, I see you can tell what it is. It's my closet. I have all of this. Think positively. This here is supposed to say, be positive. Is there a light in here? No, there is. Give me 1 second. It's dead. Never mind. Never mind. Those are my fedoras. Here's my stuffed animals. I have a lot of stuffed animals. I have a tree. You can't tell. My books. Here's my sweatshirt area. And here's this area. Say hi. I'll open it up for you. It's incredibly messy as well. But anyways, let's start cleaning. Before we start cleaning, I'm putting these lights up. So that is what we are going to do first. Alright, we're having technical difficulties. My command strip, I'm out of breath, has fallen off. So, underneath this here, underneath my hat, I have command strip. Lights are up. I will show you guys what it looks like. They're a bit low hanging, like for instance. I might actually move that. Okay, we're actually going to move this one here up a bit, because you can tell it's a bit lower than the other two. But we're making progress. Time lapse. Let's retry this. Uh-oh. There it is. I almost lost attack. Let's stay. I'm winded. I'm really winded. Here it is. I think it's gonna stay. Alright, what we need to do now that that's up, I have a crap ton of pictures, and I have more coming, because obviously I have a lot of cameras. Oh, there's one down there, by the way. I have a lot of cameras, so it's time to hang all of these up. Let's get to it. Alright, these are the photos I decided on. I will not go through each one individually. Oops, my bad. Alright. Let's hang them up. It's hanging. And hopefully it does not come down. So what we're going to do next. What we're going to do next is now. Yeah, that's the problem. We're going to put up these images. Cue to time lapse. Alright, that's what we have going so far. It has a weird pause. I'm going to go get some clothespin and we're going to finish this off. See. Alright, this is what it looks like. With all the photos up. I need to get more clips. I guess it's not all the photos. I need to get more clips because I have more photos here. But we're going to worry about that for another day. So, let's close the door. So what we're going to do now, it's time to start cleaning. Time to start doing what I was going to do the whole time. So, let me set you up here. Alright. Let's start cleaning. Cue the time lapse. Alright, 6 minutes later, get the strap out of the way, 6 minutes later, first basket's done. Now, it's time for that. Let's do it. Alright, basket 1's done. Chair is done. Basket 2 is done. Hang on, give me 1 second. 1 second, I swear it's done. Okay, now it's done. What's next? I'm going to pick up around. I think what you do next is just pick up the floor. Let's do that. Cue to time lapse. Alright, this side of the room picked up. Now we're gonna pick up this side of the room. I think we're done. Cue the time lapse. Right, everybody? Room is officially done. All I gotta do is just throw away this, which I took down from there. But this is the final room. All clean. Alright, thank you for watching. Expect more videos soon. I think Wednesday is going to be my upload day. So, yeah, I'll see you next week on Wednesday. Bye!